Hi, I'm John McHale, Group Editorial Director of Military Embedded Systems Magazine, coming at you from day 3 of the Association of the U.S. Army's annual meeting in Washington, D.C. We've been here covering the technology all week. And specifically today, what I thought was interesting, my colleague Mariana Iriarte and I got to stop by Bell, Textron Company's booth, where they were demonstrating future vertical lift technology. The coolest part about it was the virtual reality that they use, or augmented reality, for virtual training of maintainers. Essentially those who take care of the aircraft, the electronics, everything going on it. And essentially allows them to train in 3D as opposed to just looking on a two-dimensional screen on a computer or in a desk. So it actually makes them, in a way, for maintainers, train like they maintain, or as the warfighter likes to say, train like you fight. So it's pretty cool stuff. Also, in the cockpit of the demonstration that they had at the booth, they had a future avionics display system that looks a lot like your iPad or video game at home, allowing you to drag and drop things with the touch of a finger. And I asked the demonstrator, I said, well, who's going to pilot this right now? He goes, an 8-year-old girl sitting around somewhere playing a video game. That's who we're designing this for, because you and I are too old. That was pretty cool stuff. Also, I got a chance to sit with a company called WB Group out of Poland, who was making a fire control system that essentially is the hub of the kill and the sensor chain. In other words, it enables the ISR as well as makes it become an essential communications node. So as each piece of information transitions along the sensor chain line, it makes the warfighter more efficient, and it makes the kill chain more efficient, if you want to be blunt. And then lastly, at the smaller, the embedded system level, I had a nice chat with the folks at National Instruments, who are enabling cognitive radar applications with a new product that they say is the fastest one they've made yet. So look for more of that from our coverage here at Open Systems Media and Military Embedded Systems Magazine on our social media feeds on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. And for the news stories from my colleagues Lisa Daigle, Mariana Iriarte, and myself. So for all of that, you can find it on www.mil-embedded.com. See you next year at the show. Thank you.